morning, class.
Good morning, Mom.
May I request everyone to stand for the prayer? Please lead the prayer, Angeline.
Okay, everyone, for those who are Catholic, please sign up the cross and the name Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Good morning once again, class.
Good morning, Mom.
How are you today?
We're fine.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that you are fine. Before you take your seats, please pick up the pieces of papers and rubbers under your chairs. Okay. Is anyone absent today?
Nine, Mom.
That's great. Are you ready to learn a new lesson now?
Yes, Mom.
Alright, but before we proceed to our discussion, let us have first an agreement. Class, what will you do to show respect to someone who is talking? Yes, David?
Listen attentively, Mom.
Very good. How about when we are having group activities? What will you do? Yes, Jane Rose?
Cooperate, Mom.
Alright. And lastly, if you want to ask a question, what will you do? Can we have Angeline?
Raise your right hand.
Alright, very good. Class, for us to easily remember our classroom rules, we will use the word law. Everyone, please read our classroom rules.
Listen attentively. Ask by raising your hand. Work with your group.
Thank you, class. Can I expect this from you?
Yes, Mom.
Very good. Now, before we proceed to our discussion, let us have first a quick recap. I will divide you into two groups. This side will be group 1 and this side will be group 2. You will be working with the same group for the entire class. Now, I will show you an equation and you're going to answer it and write your answer on this mini board that I will provide. The first group to raise the correct answer will earn 5 points, while the second group to raise the correct answer will earn 4 points. And class, remember, you will be given only one chance to answer. Therefore, if you raise a wrong answer, your group will automatically receive only 2 points. Am I clear, class?
Yes,
Mom.
Okay, here are your materials. Are you ready, class?
Yes, Mom.
Alright, let's start. For number 1, go. 46. How about group 2? 46. Now let us find out the correct answer. Alright, 46 is the correct answer. But group 1 got the correct answer first. Therefore, group 1 got 5 points. And group 2 got only 4 points. Now, let us proceed with the second problem. Go. 102. How about group 1? Alright, 102. Now let's find out the correct answer. Oh, very good. That's 102. Then group 2 got 5 points. And group 1 got 4 points. For the third problem, we have, alright, answer. 2. 2. Is that correct?
Yes, Mom.
Let's find out. Oh, that is correct. Group 2, 5 points. And group 1, 4 points. For the fourth problem, now ready for a new discussion. Am I right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great.
Alright, now, let us reminisce about something from the past. So I want you to recall your allowances when you were in 6th grade up to now that you are in 10th grade. So I want you to talk with your seatmates. So, how much was your allowance when you were in 6th grade?
15, sir.
Alright. So how about when you were in 7th grade?
20, sir.
Oh, that's a huge increase. So what about when you were in 8th grade?
25, sir.
And in 9th grade?
30, sir.
And how about now that you're already in 10th grade? How much is your allowance?
40, sir. 40?
Alright. Now I want you to compare your allowance now to your allowance when you were in 6th grade. So what have you observed? Did it increase or decrease?
It increased, sir.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that. So the things that we have just talked about have a significant relationship to our new topic. So our topic is all about arithmetic sequence. So throughout our discussion, we are guided by these following objectives. Alright, everyone, please read our objectives.
At the end of the discussion, the students are expected to determine the arithmetic means and the end term of an arithmetic sequence, relate the uses and importance of arithmetic sequence in real-life situations, and solve problems involving arithmetic means and end terms of arithmetic sequences.
Alright, thank you so much, class. Can I expect all of this from you, class?
Yes, sir.
Alright, very good.
Okay, now let's have another activity. So same group. This side will be the group 1 and this side will be the group 2. So here, I will given you an envelope and this envelope contains your needed materials. So any representative from each group to get your materials here in front. The group 1 and the group 2. So in your envelope, you are needed or you are required to answer the guide question. And also, during this activity, you will be guided by the rubrics. Can you please read, David?
Timeliness. 5 points if posted the output before 5 minutes. And cooperation. 5 points if all members cooperated. Content. 5 points if all guide questions were answered correctly.
Okay. Are we clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Any clarification or question?
None, ma'am.
Okay, now you will start doing your activity. So you'll be given 5 minutes to answer your activity. Is that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you need to post it before the time end. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you will start now. Okay, are you done? Okay, pose it in front. Group 2. Okay. Hey, thank you. Okay, thank you for participating, everyone. Now, let's do reporting. Let us have first the group 1.
So, here's the sequence we got. For number 1, 3, comma 6, comma blank, comma 12, comma 15, and 18. And for number 2, 5, comma blank, comma 15, comma blank, comma 25. So, for the first blank, we got 9 because we noticed that it increases by 3. So, we add 6 by 3 and that is 9. And for the second blank, that is 12 plus 3 and that is 15. And for number 2, I add 5. So 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. And for 15, I add 5 and that is 20. So, what pattern did you observe in each sequence? So for number 1, it increases by 3. And for number 2, it increases by 5. And for number 2, how did you find the missing term? So, for finding the missing term, I subtract the second term by the first term. Or for number 1, that is 6 minus 3 and that is 3. And for number 2, that would be 5 plus 5 or 10 minus 5 and that is 5. And for number 3, what do you call the difference between each term? So the difference between each term is what we call the common difference. That's all.
Okay, thank you, group 1. Let's give a round of applause for group 1. Okay, next we have group 2.
So here's our work for the group 2. So for number 1, item number 1. So we have 20, comma 17, comma blank, comma 11, and then comma blank again, and then 5. So on the first missing term, so we have 14. And then the second missing term, so our answer is 8. So number 2, we have 2, comma 4, comma 6, comma blank, blank again, and then 12. So in the first missing term, our answer is 8. And second term is 10. So as you can see in the first item, so our answer in the first missing term is 14 because we notice that each term is decreases by 3. And then for the second item, so we notice that each term is increases by 2. So here we have 8 and we have 10 here. So for the guide questions, so number 1, what pattern did you observe in each sequence? So for the first problem, we notice that it is decreasing. So in the second item, so we also notice that it is increasing. So that's the pattern of the two items of the two numbers. So number 2, how did you find the missing term? So we find the missing term by finding the common difference of the two consecutive numbers and then add that common difference to the last term to find the next term. For number 3, so what do you call the difference between two terms? So the difference between two terms is called common difference. So that's all.
Okay, very good, group 2. Now let's give them a ha clap. Do you know how to do it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, this is how to do it. Ha 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 ha. Okay? Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, go. Ha 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 ha. Okay, very good. Okay, for group 2, they noticed that the number are decreasing. So to find the missing numbers, they subtracted it into 3. So 20 minus 3. number. So 3 plus 3 class?
6,
Six,
How
ma'am.
about 6 plus 3?
9, ma'am.
Okay, so that is how you find the number 9 or the missing number. Am I correct, group 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 9 plus 3?
12.
Okay, 12 plus 3?
15.
Oh, very good, group 1. So this is correct. And for group 2, they notice that the number are decreasing. So, to find the missing number, they subtracted it by 3. So, 20 minus 17.
14.
How about
3.
So, 14 minus 3.
11.
How about 11 minus 3?
8.
Okay, very good. So, the missing numbers are 14 and 8. So, this is correct. Okay, very good. And number 2 is also correct. Correct. For guide question, we have the problem number 1 that says, what pattern did you observe in each sequence? And your answer is, it increases by 3 for number 1 and increases by 5 for number 2. And for group 2, for the first problem, we notice that it is decreasing, while on the second problem, it's increasing pattern. And for problem number 2, we have the, how did you find the missing terms? So group 1, so this is correct. For problem number 2, group 1 add 3 for number 1 and 1 add for number 2. And for group 2, problem number 2, by finding the common difference of 2 consecutive numbers. So these are correct. And for problem number 3, we have the, what do you call the difference between each term? So their answers are both common difference. So these are correct. So the total points for timeliness, group 1, posted the output before 5 minutes? Yes. So 5 points. And how about the cooperation? 5 points for group 1. And the content, your answers are all correct. So you get 15 points. And for group 2, timeliness, posted the output before 5 minutes, 5 points. How about the cooperation? 5 points. And the content, all your answers are correct. So a total points of 15. Okay. So now our topic will be about arithmetic sequence. Everybody please read.
Arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers where the difference between consecutive terms is always the same. This constant difference is called the common difference.
Okay. So this pattern or sequences that you did in your activity is what we call the arithmetic sequence. Okay, arithmetic mean. Everybody please read.
Arithmetic mean is the average of a set of numbers.
And the arithmetic sequence has a formula. For example, for the activity of group 1, everybody?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
And you need to add this, or find the sum of these values and divide it by 6.
Excuse me, Mom.
Okay, David.
Why did you divide it by 6, Mom?
Okay, we divide it by 6 because it has a 6 turn. Everybody please read, please count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's why we divide it by 6. Okay, so now who can get the mean for number 1? Okay, Jello.
10.5, ma'am.
Oh, how did you do it? Can you show Chelu. So 10.5. Is she correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Chelu. Okay, please read, class.
A sub m is equal to A plus quantity n minus 1 times b.
That A sub n represents, everybody?
N term.
How about the A?
First term.
And the N?
Position of n term.
And the D?
Common difference.
Okay, very good. So, how do we use that formula? For example, for problem number 2 for group 2, we have the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So, let us substitute it to the formula. Is that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in this problem, let's find the seventh term in using the formula. Who wants to try? Oh, David. Okay, very good. Thank you, David. So, is he correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, David. So, this is correct.
Okay, from the activities that we did earlier and the concept, we talked about what is arithmetic sequence. Okay, Jello?
Arithmetic sequence, ma'am, is a sequence of numbers in which the difference of two consecutive numbers is constant, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, what do you call this constant difference? Angeline? The constant difference, Mom, is also called as common difference. Okay, that's right. How about, how do we get the common difference? Any idea? David?
To find the common difference, ma'am, we're going to subtract the two consecutive numbers. So it is the second term subtracted by the first term.
Alright, very good. Do you have any question, class?
None, ma'am.
Alright. Now let's have another group activity. I have here two envelopes consist of the materials inside like manila paper, answer sheet, and marker. You are working with the same group. For this activity, you will be given for only 5 minutes and posted your answer before the time ends in front. This one for the group 1 and this one for the group 2. But before we proceed answering, can you please read the rubric, Jane? Timeliness. Posted the output before 5 minutes. Cooperation. All members cooperated. Content. Complete solution and correct answer. Okay, class, did I make myself clear for this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's start answering.
You have 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, since everyone have finished this work, okay, reporter for group 1, please report your work.
Maria is saving money every week. In the first week, she saved 50. Each week after that, she saves 20 pesos more than the previous week. Question: how much money will she save in the 8th week? So I substitute it to the formula of A sub n is equals to A sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times D. So for our A sub 1, we have 50 peso, and for our n, that is 8, and for our common difference, that is 20. So A sub 8 is equal to 50 plus quantity 8 minus 1 times 20, and that would be 190. Therefore, Maria will save 190 peso for the 8th week.
Okay, class. Okay, reporter from group 1, thank you. Now, let's check if the answer of group 1 is correct. So, please read.
A sub 8 is equals to 50 plus quantity 8 minus 1 times 20. 50 plus 7 times 20. 50 plus 140 plus 190.
Is she correct?
Yes.
Okay. So, for the timeliness, she posted the output before 5 minutes. So, group 1 received 5 points. And for the cooperation, all members cooperated. So, group 1 received 5 points. And for the content, complete solution and correct answer. So, group 1 show complete solution and the correct answer. Then, group 1 received 5 points. So the total points of group 1 is 15 points. So now let's proceed to the next reporter. For group 2, please reporter come here in front.
So here's the work for group 2. A school arranges chairs in rows for an event. The first row has 10 chairs. The second row has 12 chairs. The third row has 14 chairs, and so on. So here's the question. How many chairs are in the 10th row? So see, using this formula, we substitute the given here. So the given here are, the common difference is 2 because 12 minus 10 is 2, so our common difference is 2. And then for the A sub n, so since we're going to find the 10th term, so we're going to substitute the 10 to n as the same as here. So A sub 10 is equal to 10 plus quantity 10 minus 1 multiplied by 2. So it is 10 plus quantity 9 times 2. And it is 10 plus 18. So the answer is 28. Therefore, the number of chairs are in the 10th row are 28.
Okay, let's give claps for everyone for doing their task. And now let's check if the group 2 answers is correct. So, the process are correct and the answers are correct. finalists posted the output before 5 minutes, so Group 2 received 5 points. And for the cooperation, so as you can see, all members cooperated, so they earned 5 points. And also for the last, content, complete solution, and correct answer. So the group 2 received 5 points. And the total points, 15 points. So everyone really understand the concept of this topic. So now let's have a quiz if you really understand our discussion this morning. So I have here a problem consists of arithmetic problem. What you are going to do is you write your answer here and just read the direction inside the answer sheet. Now class, you may start answering your problem. Are you finished answering, class?
Yes, ma'am.
How about you, David?
Not yet, Mom.
Okay, let's wait, David.
I'm done.
How about you, Jane Rose?
I'm not done, ma'am. I'm done, ma'am.
Okay, pass your paper in front, everyone. Please arrange your chair. Take a pieces of paper under your chairs and also the wrappers. Okay.